Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 19 on Mac. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. After that, search for DaVinci Resolve. Now open the official Blackmagic Design website. They are the creators of DaVinci Resolve. Now scroll down and click free download. Choose macOS X under the free version. Fill the required information, then click register and download. Then wait for the file to finish downloading. Now go to Finder, then go to Downloads. Extract the zip file, then open the DMG file. And after that, double click Install Resolve. Click Continue, agree the terms, then click Install. Enter your Mac password if asked. Once installed, click the screen icon on your Mac, then type DaVinci Resolve and open it. And after that, create a new project, then import your media and start editing. Now, you have successfully installed DaVinci Resolve 19 on Mac. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.